So as you can see, this is an Eaton panel, Cutler-Hammer style, and this is a type BR.
Just need to go make up the outlets, make up the wires, clean up, test. Oh, we're good to go.
All right, today is another brand new day. We are currently in Hiawatha right now. We are going to be adding a couple of outlets, one circuit, and a surge protector to go and upgrade a little bit of their basement. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So we got the surge protector that is now installed. So as you can see, this is an Eaton panel, Cutler-Hammer style, and this is a type BR. And there are different types, whether it be a CH or a BR breaker, and different styles. So for instance, for this type of panel, we're going to need type of BR with a tail neutral, because right back here doesn't have the neutral bar that's attached to this, so it requires a special tail in order to get that work. Had to go get a black button, because as you can see, everything up here is full except for one. So I'm gonna be getting that. Gonna be landing a wire wherever I decided to put it. There it is. Gonna have it come down into the panel. As you see, we can go and pull as much as we need. This and good. And what's nice about these breakers is that right here you have your load power and your load neutral. So as long as you put your primary power color here, whether it be black, blue, red, and then you put your white here, your white to your neutral bar, you should be good to go. For a lower side wire, you're not doing yourself any good. So just like that, we're done with the panel, other than labeling. And as little waves, it is also important to label the. So we got a home surge protector, and then we got the basement outlets, which is on a arc fault GFI breaker. So along with that, we are now putting 3 different locations: outlet here, outlet there, and right here. So we started that.
Alright, all the circuits ran. Just need to go make up the outlets, make up the wires, clean up, test. We're good to go. We're always going to go with 6 inches out of the box. That's code. This is a little bit slightly larger than 6 inches, but at least there's 6 inches. We're good to go. You want to make sure your connections are tight. If you do it too tight, you want to strip out unit, and then you're going to have to replace it. Cut the wires nice and safely back, so that way they're not touching any of the prongs. Alright, move on to the next one.
And of course, you always gotta make sure to make your mechanical connections. So what I like to do for these, I strip these a little bit longer, so that way I can securely make a good mechanical connection. Okay. I just pushed the button to trip it, so that means we know it's 100% working. Here in a little bit, I'm going to put a load on it and double check that is indeed going to work. Anyways, we're going to be cleaning up and be right back.
All right, with that in mind, we are all set to go for here. This customer is well taken care of. They got exactly what they paid for. You know, we try to go and do everything we can, go above and beyond. Even if it's a small job, big job, we'll make sure to go and do it right. So that way they don't have to call back unless they want to call back for specific reasons of wanting more work. We got another install tomorrow. See you then. All right, have a good one, guys.